Finally, Canva! They did it again! Canva continues to absolutely change the game for all types of creatives. You know the story. They started out as a nice little graphics design company, and then sometime in the past few years, Canva absolutely exploded. Websites, which we've talked a lot about on this channel lately, you can find more in the playlist above. Scheduling, AI content creation, embedded apps, videos, animation, oh my! For many of the nonprofit and spiritual folks we work with, Canva is the go-to software for creating social media posts, communication graphics, presentations, or anything else that requires a creative flair. It's free for nonprofits, easy to learn, and extremely capable. Earlier versions of the website design system offered no menu navigation, no option for SEO or insights. Having built a few Canva websites myself, I can definitely confidently say they have improved. That being said, there are still some cons to report, as with everything. And we'll get to those, but spoiler alert, we find there to be way more pros than cons. But for the first time, we're gonna rapid fire some of your questions that you've been commenting the past year. So we'll give you frequently asked questions with answers, including an answer actually from Canva themselves about whether or not you can add drop-down menus. If you don't wanna wait for that, you can watch this video up here. Let's get into it. Pro number 1, both the free and pro version of Canva allow you to build websites. The pro version gives you more templates to choose from, but the free version is really good too. Pro number 2, when you're using Canva as the hosting provider, you can completely create and publish a website at no cost. Yes, I just said free website. That doesn't happen often anymore, people. Pro number 3, Canva websites have multiple templates you can choose from. Multiple filters, multiple slides to build pages from, multiple calls to action, multiple contact forms. You got options, people. Pro number 4, Canva's a great way to make a mobile-friendly website. They have a lot of mobile-friendly templates, which is huge when most of your audience is probably gonna be on their cell phone. Just be sure when you're posting your Canva website to actually check the mobile version on a phone, multiple different types of phones, multiple sizes of phones, just to make sure there's not any responsiveness issues. If you have issues, you might want to check out some of these videos. Pro number 5, Canva websites are great options when you need a professional and clean looking landing page. Think of it like a digital business card. If you just need some information up there, boom, you'll have it. It's so much less expensive and easier to create. It's just like perfect for when you just need something quick. This could even be a temporary website for an event. I'm getting off track here. Pro number 6, every Canva website is easily customizable with all the features you would expect from anything that you'd make in Canva. Colors, fonts, sizing, text. You can even add links when you're adding buttons, so you can make it very interactive. Pro number 7, you can easily embed your images and videos into your Canva website template. This is great because obviously you want to personalize your website and make it look like you. And that's easy to do. Thanks, Canva! Pro number 8, there's a navigation bar functionality with auto scroll built in. How amazing is that? So when you click on the navigation title for that specific page, it will auto scroll down to whatever you clicked on. Really convenient to people that just want to go right to a certain topic. Pro number 9, while, spoiler alert, a multiple page functionality is not built into Canva websites, you can hack your way around it and it's not too terrible. Watch our hamburger menu video linked below if you're curious. Essentially, you turn all those individual pages into individual sites and then you link those sites to the pages that you would have people click on. To do this, instead of publishing with navigation, you'd actually publish without navigation. And instead, you'd set up these custom links via text or graphics to those sub pages. Again, I have a video linked below, the hamburger menu video. Just check it out if you're curious. Or drop a question below and we'd be glad to explain further in another video. Pro number 10, contact forms are also possible with Canva websites using Google Forms or Microsoft Forms. We do have videos about that as well, linked above and below. Pro number 11, I love the plugins in Canva, so it extends the functionality of Canva to offer these plugins. Basically, you can add Google Maps or Pixabay. All the usual apps you'd expect to be able to add into your websites when you're creating them off of Canva, you can do with Canva too. Pro number 12, you can sell digital products on Canva. You might have to do some workarounds depending on what you're selling. Check out our video linked above and below on how to sell digital products on Canva, but you can do it, and that's so amazing because Canva websites are so cheap and easy to use, and now you can sell on them too. Pro number 13, why was this not sooner? I don't know, because AI is one of my favorite pieces of Canva websites. Here are a couple of our favorite AI tools built into Canva websites. You've got Magic Write. Think ChatGPT. Give it a prompt and it generates text for your site that you can refine and edit to your needs. Similar to ChatGPT, but with the convenience of having it directly in Canva. You've also got Magic Design, which leverages AI to use your own photos or videos to create customized templates for your images. You can also try out their text-to-image feature, which is kind of like Midjourney. This is an app as opposed to a native element of Canva that works from prompts to describe the type of image you want. So you type it in and it creates an image based on what you want, which AI is still learning, but it's a pro that it has it, right? You could try it. And of course, one of my favorite tools that Canva AI offers through our Canva websites is the ability to remove a background in your photos or expand your photos. So I use this all the time. You know, take a picture right now, I can remove the background, put my face on the thumbnail of our YouTube videos, or if you want to expand it, like let's say I have my arm kind of cut off, but I want that elbow, Canva can actually do that. And it's actually pretty good. I definitely recommend you check it out. Definitely a pro. 2 more pros to go. Pro number 14, Canva now has SEO capabilities, search engine optimization. You'll have to check out our video up here and link below for more about Canva SEO. It's not super robust. It's not what you might get with other website providers, but it does exist. You can get some insights from it, and these pages do get indexed regularly, which is important. And last but certainly not least, pro number 15, Canva websites do not collect cookies. That means there's no need to have a cookie consent banner, no need to have the website visitor acknowledge anything to do with cookies. You don't have to worry about that because Canva doesn't take your cookies or collect your cookies. Something about cookies and Canva don't go together. Whew. Okay, we've talked a lot about the wonderful, wonderful things Canva does for us, but this is a pros and cons video, so we also need to discuss the cons. All right, here we go. Canva cons. Canva website con number 1. The URL link created with the free Canva domain has Canva as part of the domain name. So it might be something like communityname.my.canva.site. This is generally bad form and not really professional, but if your budget really is only free and you have to work with that, that's fine. You can always mask this with a free bit.ly link. Just make it so that whatever the bit.ly link is redirects to the website you got with Canva. Although honestly, you can usually find the Canva domain names for like $20 a year. So if you can possibly make that work, I would highly recommend that instead. Canva website con number 2, Canva free users can only publish 5 free Canva websites. Canva Pro users can publish unlimited Canva websites. So there's some limitation, but again, it's free. So how much do you want to get for free? And if you already have existing domains you want to use, Canva Pro users can connect up to 5 existing domains. Canva website con number 3, you can purchase the domain right through Canva. Like I said, it is a little pricier than if you would buy a domain outside of Canva, but you're not paying for a hosting provider, so you're saving a lot of money. So, you know, pros, cons. It's not a ton of money. I definitely would recommend this route. Canva website con number 4, this one grinds my gears. Canva website buttons don't have any kind of responsiveness when you hover over them. There's no animation showing this is a button, it does button things. So you just kind of put your cursor there and it looks like nothing. You can kind of hide this a little by making some shadowing or making a little finger button so people know to click it, but it is definitely a con. Canva website con number 5, customized mobile view is not a thing with Canva websites, so it's the same on your mobile as it is on your desktop. They look the same. This can add some frustrations and difficulties. Again, we have some of those videos linked below. I found that grouping your assets can definitely help you to make sure things don't go wild when you look at it on your phone, but it's definitely a con that they don't make this easier yet. Canva website con number 6, e-commerce sites are not natively possible within Canva. I know I said you can sell digital products through your Canva websites, and you can, but you can't do it in the way you would on a normal website or through any of the like embedded options you would want to do, like a Shopify store or anything. You have to actually like link up the pictures to a buy link and the text to a buy link and really kind of hack it in a way, but it's gonna save you a lot of money. So it's totally up to you if it's worth that extra time investment to make it work. We do have videos on doing that, link below, digital products with Canva, but it is a con that it's not easier. Canva website con number 7, we talked about the apps and how they extend your functionality with Canva. Still true, still incredible, but they can slow your website down if you add too many of them. So you don't want to overpower your Canva website with too many apps, too much functionality, because it might not only slow it down, but slowing your website down does decrease its viewership on Google. So Google has these search rankings, and if your load time is not that great because you have too many apps flooded on your site, it is going to put it down lower in the search rankings, which is not something we want, right? We want people to see our websites. Canva website con number 8, Canva websites claim to be very SEO friendly, but they are missing a lot of industry standards for search engine optimization. Think like headers and tags. It makes it really difficult to evaluate how they're actually performing. The most SEO we've seen is actually just the ability to add a description to your website page. And while yes, you have some metrics and some analytics available to really see how your website is performing, performing, it's not a ton in comparison to what you get elsewhere. So it is a con that there's not a lot available to you. Having some is a pro, not having as much as you would other places is a con. All right, 2 more. Canva website con number 9. The mobile website version can be difficult. Have we mentioned that? Have I mentioned my struggles with that? As seen in our other videos linked below about needing to resize things, group different graphics, group text, and just play around with it to try to get your Canva mobile site to look good. Like, that is just a con on its own, even separate from the fact that you can't have a mobile and a desktop version. It's just complicated to have the mobile version. Once you get it, you're probably good, but you're gonna fight for it a little bit with Canva. And Canva website con number 10, a huge con, is that it is impossible to add any HTML coding on your Canva website. This means you can't add any kind of Google tags. You can't add any tracking codes to any of your pages, and thus you have less information, less analytics to work off of. Definitely a big con, especially if you want to customize some things, but think of all the pros that you're getting on the other side of it. All right, let's hit up those frequently asked questions because they are being asked frequently. All right, Canva website frequently asked question number 1, can you add fillable forms to your Canva website? Yes, you can embed them. We have videos linked below on that. I know a lot of you are struggling with it. There are hacks around it. We have updates to our videos on this about how to do this on your website. If you're having some struggles, make sure you watch all those videos to see if you can work around the issue. There are some things you can do to fix it. Canva website frequently asked question number 2. Do you know if you can purchase a custom domain through Canva and use it if you have the free version? Yes, I just tested this today. I have a bunch of Canva accounts and I went on one of my free version ones and tried to do the whole publisher website thing, buy a domain, and it does work. Frequently asked Canva website question number 3, can I add a portfolio to Canva? Yeah, why not? You can do so much with Canva, and like I said, you can make it a landing page, like a little digital business card. You can link up all the things that you would want to link up to make whatever. I've seen so many Canva website portfolios, so many Canva website resumes. There's so much functionality, especially for creatives. I highly recommend you check it out. That's why I'm making this video. Canva website question frequently asked number 4, can you add a hamburger or drop down menu? No, this was our most frequently asked question forever. And no, you can't. So here it is straight from Canva. We do have a workaround hack in one of our videos linked below, the hamburger menu video. The video that we were showing a website with a hamburger menu was not made in Canva. So there you have it, the big reveal. You can't do it yet, but hopefully they're coming out with it soon. Frequently asked Canva website question number 5. This one is actually very frequently asked. This is our second most popular video. Can you change your favicon? Yes. Of course you can. It's a little more confusing than it needs to be, but I'm linking that video above and below as well. This took me so long to figure out. And I've had so many comments on the favicon video where people are like, oh my gosh, I just spent hours on this just like I did. And this video was a lifesaver. So like, that's one of our most popular videos for quick tips that help people out. Yes, you can do it. Check that one out. And finally, last but not least, Canva website frequently asked question number 6. Can you view Canva insights? Yes. As we've said other times in this video, there are Canva website insights available to you to view, but they're pretty basic. But yes, I think they're still good. Like I'm happy knowing where people came from or how many people viewed. You're not gonna get like super in-depth analytics or anything like that. And you can't, unfortunately, put any HTML coding on your Canva website so that you can get more. But I think it's a good place to start. And if you're watching videos about cheap websites, you're probably starting out or you just need something basic. This is your solution. At least I think so. What do you think? Drop us a comment below and let us know if you are considering using Canva, where you're at in the process, what other questions you have, because actually this is the end of 2024 right now that I'm making this video, but we're going to be making the 2025 video very soon. So what other questions do we need to hit? What other features do we need to discuss or show? And of course, comment below to let us know if you're using Canva websites or if you're thinking about it in the future. My name is Sammy. We're Digivangelism. Subscribe if this video was helpful for you, and we got more Canva and digital communications content coming your way soon. Catch you in the next one.